Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can access bet history on XBet. So it's really easy. The first thing that you will have to do is you will log into your account, and once you've logged into your account, what you will have to do is you will look for my bets or bet history. So it really depends on the layout of your screen. So it should be somewhere right here. So what you will see is my bets. What you will have to do is click that, and then you will just have to click history, and here is your here's how you can access it. That just like that, it's really easy. And if you already have your bets, then you can just filter bets by date range, type of bet, and status, whether it's won or lost or pending. And then you can just click on any bet so that you will be able to view the detailed information, including the stake, the odds, and the payout, and so on. And by the way, you should use this data so that you will be able to analyze betting patterns and improve future strategies. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.